Wow, she had me for waiting, I don't mind waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, you want me to keep on my diamonds?
Go crazy. It's the glam sale in this bitch. It's the glam sale. We got the cameras already set up. It's my motherfucking birthday, the big two. What? The big two? Yeah, that. Yeah. Yeah. Gabby, what? The big two.
You want to put oil in your braids?
A little bit. Oh shit. So the red balloons gotta match. I needed the red. I have nothing red. I mean, Lex will probably use some of my eyes.
Come on, bro. We ain't got all that room.
That nigga tell me I'm just another rapper. I know. Come on, let's go. We right.
Everybody be rocking the braids now. Like the cornrows straight back. Everybody rocking it.
Cousin Des. What's her name? Des.
Oh yeah. That's because I was the first one to do it.
It's the glam sale in this guy. Okay,
The big 2.6.
Okay,
that's
two.
hold on, two. Yeah.
So basically, we get
Okay, for real, y'all distracting Lex. Come on.
We getting litty tonight or whatever.
Y'all in case y'all ain't know.
And it's her birthday. So I'ma just vlog and y'all gonna see how the glam sale get.
You ain't got not one cap.
We about to be on the map.
Oh wait.
Okay. We about to be on the map. Who loved this with us, Lex? In the clip. And then we got the other nail tech in the back. She's working. I would hate to be working right now because you're missing out. But okay, so I'm gonna have to pull it down like
I hope Lex know what she's doing or whatever.
You don't want me to wing this shit.
Winging it. You ain't winging it. You doing it.
Me?
Y'all distract that first. Stop talking to her. Okay. This ain't shit to play with. Like, this is major. Did you throw a shot back, Nikki?
I'm not drinking, bro. I'm scared.
Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah.
It's the glam sale in this bitch. It's the glam sale.
Y'all play so much.
Man, Twan, they act like they don't know me.
That's not fucking Twan, nigga. Your name's not PBM.
My name's P. Wait.
They don't.
No, that's Twan right there. This Twan, he talking to him. They talking to each other.
They act like they don't know me. Damn. Justin? Oh! Boy, that's his cousin.
So now she just did a little.
So you just finding out that that's your cousin? Oh. This
foundation.
is the cap? The bar? What's the foundation? Bar cap.
She did a little, you know what I'm saying, a little coat of the little makeup.
It's my birthday too, in case y'all didn't know what was going on. My birthday is at 12 o'clock.
So say happy birthday.
Period.
Please and thank you.
Happy birthday.
No, not you, bitch.
The Cosby was good. Happy birthday. Nikki, you got a drink?
I'm drinking when I come back, I promise.
So you still leaving?
Yeah. My friend wanted to come.
She said, man.
You said we talked to my brother.
Oh yeah, because you know, thank you.
We ain't gonna talk about that live.
I guess I'll take another shot.
Happy birthday,
Nikki
girl.
gotta take one.
I'm gonna take one when I come back. I'm gonna take multiple when I come back.
Gabby, what's up? Come take one for the cam. Gabby, what this? Took one. Oh, okay. Yeah, I told you we passed. The party already started. We passed 3 shots. Destiny.
Shot 2.
Destiny.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Yeah, it's your birthday.
No. What the Vine say? I mean, not the Vine. What the TikTok say? It's just water.
It's just water. I'll be putting glue and everything on this cap.
It might pull your edges a little bit, but you know, I ain't no professional.
Is this the same where you got your wig from?
That's my cousin. She's down here. She sent me a little. She sent me a full lace with. Okay.
You said it in the song.
What, Gabby? She ratchet? What the fuck? She done my slime life. Gabby, you listen to slime.
That's an old ass song. He
Oh, she know who
he
he
got
is.
reference.
Drink.
That's that new Atlanta lyric.
Drink. We gotta make hella TikToks.
I know.
But we just gotta take a look at her tomorrow. I know. I'm
She got
going
1,000 followers now. She gotta do.
Because ain't no fucking.
Y'all got to be new. I mean, got to be Gorilla Snap. Gorilla Glue girl. Her name is Testicle.
This shit keeps sucking on her hair.
Testicle Brown was able to remove her ponytail by cutting it off and using glue off with the help of her friend, according to TMZ. Let's continue to send her positive vibes as she continues her journey to remove the glue from her hair. Ain't no fucking way.
She probably cut her hair.
Ain't no fucking way.
How she that damn gone?
She probably got bald.
Literally, when I went to Walmart, that glue was in the trash section. So like you took that way into the damn trash section. And even if it was at her house, it still had industrial glue.
That shit is long. The glue shit permanently. That's not regular super glue.
Probably
That's
blew her door shut. It can't grow no more.
And that bitch on there, what? Okay, Nikki. It's a cute video. This shit. Yeah, for the adding. Let me put the motherfucking purple. Where the motherfucking purple bitch at? Yeah, real life. You can have.
Thinking about every step you're doing, checking the surroundings. Everybody think you're blown up. You know what I'm saying?
He look better now. Like from that video of him moving around and talking. I'm like,
Fast life.
fucking around with you.
Before you went in a year, go 6 more years, not 2, 3 months, but over.
Cause it's the only day she could get my ass in.
And she got this. I still gotta get the rest of my lashes in.
I gotta get a fill in. My girl not open until March.
Oh, girl, give me bottom lashes on Nicole. Not Nicole. Listen to her post. She's not what she was. Ah, bitch. Be careful.
You know, I heard people don't like it because they don't like face me because it's cheap. The fuck? Like you be walking around with Hennessy still.
Now every time I say TT's, people know what's going on. Why you ain't tell me about this, Dennis? Get the fuck out of my phone.
When the last time you talked to me? You talking to me?
You're on
I know. I keep forgetting.
That mistake I made.
That become my fine day.
Keep your eyes closed.
Cali.
He wanna rock out.
No, he
I wanna.
no.
Okay. He wanna pop out.
Yeah.
I wanna rock out. Call him into.
Yeah.
What's the second part?
But
I ain't to learn.
I don't want that nigga in my IG just stay on his screen.
Okay. What is touchdown?
Yeah, like maybe like a 50 feet. I like to be on screen. Who you think more?
Hell no. It's just us.
It's just.
Neef beats talking about what's the Addy. I don't know. Outsiders, bitch. I just wanna see who's gonna hit me.
First of all, that's
That's an outsider.
that is not an outsider.
Is that the one you got?
The one that
Gabby, can you plug up yours or you bought one?
It's probably the same one.
But her is broke. That's me? That's somebody me.
fucking knew it. Girl, once I posted DM me for the edit and I posted you and I was like, oh, what's up? Why?
No, he deserved it. That little boy.
Because they watched it and was like, I might watch TJ for
Who does that shit?
They watched it.
Yeah.
So they still following you?
Right, I'm ready to see. I'm scared. Don't look at it, y'all. Once I do the baby hair, though, it's gonna really be covered. No, I gotta look. No, she don't need to look. She don't need to look. Oh, damn, you can still see it. No. You just need to find a foundation that's a little closer to her skin. No, that looks good. Let me see. Yeah, coming down my scalp. Yeah. They got a. Oh yeah, once I do the baby hairs, like. Shit, for us to do that shit look good. But that shouldn't be free. That should look good. Right.
I love me a country nigga with some goatee. What? Fuck that talking just shit.
Got a big ass mouth. You gotta edit that. It's your mind. She just finished. That's why we just started.
She had to put weight, I don't mind waiting up. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, you don't want me to keep on my diamonds?
Go crazy.
Ask Sierra. She got her hands on the knees with her ass in there. You know, she shake her head ass in the mirror, like,
No, I
no rubber. When she make that ass bounce like I love her. Got that ass in that mouth from her mother. Type to make you pay, man, you in trouble.
Hey.
They got no